Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Dogecoin from Uphold to Kucoin in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin on Uphold and want to transfer it to Kucoin for trading or staking, this guide is perfect for you. By 2025, crypto transfers have become even smoother with updated interfaces and faster networks, but always double-check for any platform-specific changes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Kucoin. Uphold is your digital money platform where you store assets, and Kucoin is a popular exchange for buying, selling, and managing cryptos. You'll also need some Dogecoin in your Uphold wallet and the exact wallet address from Kucoin to avoid any mix-ups. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to your Dogecoin wallet. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the main screen. Step 2. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which can vary based on the Dogecoin blockchain. In 2025, these fees are generally low, but they add up, so only transfer what you need. Step 3. Input your Kucoin wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it directly from Kucoin to prevent errors. Select the Dogecoin network if prompted, as it must match for the transfer to go through successfully. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll see a summary of the details, including fees and estimated arrival time. Once you're happy, hit confirm. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick pro tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. And remember, crypto is volatile, so keep an eye on market trends after your transfer. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from Uphold to Kucoin in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.